How to get dark mode on Bluesky. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get dark mode on Bluesky. To get dark mode on Bluesky, first of all, you'll need to open the Bluesky application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, you'll be able to locate 3 horizontal bars at the top left. Tap on those 3 horizontal bars and then from this side menu, here select the settings option at the bottom. Once selected, you'll be able to reach to this settings page. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see this basic section. Under it, you'll be able to locate the appearance option. Simply tap on this appearance option and then here you'll be able to see dark options. Tap on this dark option in the second row in order to get the dark theme on your Bluesky app. If you want your color mode to be dark, you can also tap on this dark option in this first row at the right side. And this is how you can get dark mode on Bluesky. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.